In the world of AI-driven creativity, SoulGen has emerged as an intriguing new player. Designed to create stunning, lifelike characters based solely on text prompts, SoulGen promises to bring your imagination to life in mere seconds. But how well does it deliver on this promise? In this video, we'll explore SoulGen's features, capabilities, and whether it's worth your time and investment. SoulGen is an AI-powered art tool that allows users to generate custom images of characters or companions based on detailed descriptions. With the rise of AI in art and design, platforms like SoulGen offer a unique approach, focusing on personalized, highly detailed character creation that can be used for various purposes, from personal projects to commercial ventures. How does it work? SoulGen operates on a simple three-step process. Log in or start a free trial, enter your text description, and hit Create. The AI then generates an image that reflects your input, producing a character that aligns with the details you've provided. Whether it's a fantasy character or a lookalike of someone you know, the platform offers a wide range of possibilities. The user interface is designed to be accessible, making it easy for even those without technical expertise to create high-quality images. SoulGen's AI is trained on vast datasets of existing art, enabling it to identify patterns and styles that help it generate unique and visually appealing images. Standout features? One of SoulGen's key selling points is its ability to create images that are both highly personalized and unique. This means that the artwork generated is not just a generic template, but a piece tailored to your specific instructions. Additionally, SoulGen offers outpainting features that allow you to expand on existing images by adding backgrounds, new elements, or additional characters, all through text prompts. Is SoulGen worth it? SoulGen operates on a subscription model, with different tiers offering varying levels of access and features. For those interested in AI art for personal use or even for commercial projects, the value lies in the tool's ability to produce unique, custom artwork quickly and easily. However, as with any AI tool, the results can vary, and there may be limitations depending on the complexity of your request. Ethical and legal considerations. When using AI tools like SoulGen, it's important to consider the ethical and legal implications. The platform states that the images created are not copyrighted, allowing users to utilize them freely, even for commercial purposes. However, users should remain aware of the broader debates surrounding AI-generated content and its impact on the creative industries. Final thoughts. SoulGen offers an exciting glimpse into the future of AI-assisted creativity, particularly in the realm of character design and personalized art. While it's not without its limitations, the platform provides a powerful tool for those looking to explore AI-generated art. If you're interested in pushing the boundaries of your creative projects, SoulGen is definitely worth a try.